Hey y'all, it's Meso here. Get on into my kitchen where we're going to be doing something wonderful today and you're going to be so excited. You're going to want to come and eat with me. Yeah, look what I have made today for my family. In fact, I made this at tonight and we had this. It was so good. So I'm just showing you our steaks. These steaks were about $16.99 a pound. They're ribeyes. I got them for maybe $10.99 a pound. I think I paid for them. This is my sous vide machine. Want to show this to you. Let me go ahead and get it unboxed. So I've never used this one. Here it is. You see there's a clamp on the back that you hook to your vessel. It's electric, of course, and you're going to be able to keep your temperature where you want to hold it at. Let me introduce you to my beautiful ribeyes. Aren't they gorgeous? So I'm going to go ahead and get some salt and pepper on them, and that's the only seasoning I'm going to put on these guys because we really want to taste the delicious flavor of these ribeyes. We're going to be sous vide feeding them. And the first person I saw sous vide on YouTube was Daddy Cooks. Have you all seen his channel? If you have not, go on over there and see Phil. The name of his channel is Daddy Cooks. And he's a world traveler. He cooks all kinds of food. He explains it to you, and he's got some gorgeous dishes. When I first came on YouTube, he was my mentor. He helped me a lot. He's a great guy. Go over there and watch his channel and subscribe to him and tell him Meso sent you. So I'm going to just salt and pepper both sides of this steak because both sides need salt and pepper. Gotta make it good and real good. Oh yeah. So we're gonna generously salt these guys because this is a really thick piece of meat. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I want you to also subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'll know every time I put up a video. So here, I am going to put these steaks into a Ziploc bag. These are just regular storage bags. And now I'm going to try to depress these bags and expel all of the air or as much of the air as I can. Now, some people use the fancy vacuum sealing bags. I don't have that. Not going to go out and buy that. I'm just going to use what I got. And I'm going to get as much air out of here as I can. This is already looking good. I've got family over. I'm going to just show you how I'm cooking 2 of these steaks, and these are really big guys, but I've got more steak that I'm cooking also for them. So everybody's excited. Now here's my sous vide machine. I've already submerged it in the water. I have it at 138 degrees. You see how it goes down into the water? I am getting my steaks down in also. You see that the bags really have no air in them now, and they're going to be in here. I'm going to hold them in some water for over 2 hours, probably around 2 hours. The good thing about this, it gets to one temperature and it holds it there. I am covering this vessel so that I can keep the heat in. This has sous vide for 2 hours, and you can do yours more. I'm at 138 degrees, and I'm going to hold it right there for a medium rare. That's how we like ours. So now I'm going to get them out. I want to show you something. I want to give you some good looks at this. I am so excited. This is going to be so wonderful. And it's great because my family's looking forward to it, guys. We're going to have a ball. Anytime you can get family and food together, you are winning. That's where the love is made. So I want to show you these guys. Let's take a look at them. So you can see the juices in here. You see that the seasonings, they're still intact. But they've had an opportunity to just sort of marinate. Just kind of hang out with this meat. Yeah. Now I'm taking them out. You can see in these bags I have the juice there. You can either make it au jus, you can make a gravy. I'm going to just hold on to mine because I'm going to be using it. You better believe it. But I want you to look at these steaks. Now they really basically, these steaks are already done. Take a good look at them. They're really done to the point that I want them. And I want them, to, like I said, to be a medium rare. But I just want you to look at that. You see the seasonings are still there? Oh, man. It's sort of a gray look because they're done. But you're going to see what the inside looks like. Now, I have a paper towel here, and I am just going to dab off the water that's on this meat. I'm going to dry the meat and I'm going to get it out here on the grill. Outside for some nighttime grilling and chilling with my family. They're out on the deck. They've built me a fire. In fact, we're going to just use the chimney part and we're going to put a rack over that because we're going to cook these steaks one at a time. They are already done, so they don't have to stay on this fire more than maybe 2 minutes on each side, if that much. But I want to show you how it's done. Now, they're out here cracking jokes. They're laughing. They're talking. I wish you could be out here with us. It's about 42 degrees. The air is crisp. You can smell the smoke and the fire in the air. You smell the meat cooking. Oh, God, look at this. Family, fun, meat, fire. What else can you ask for? Life is good. Oh, man. Look at that. Look at that. Gorgeous, isn't it? And what we're doing is kind of rotating this meat so that we can get some grill marks on this meat. Oh yeah, we got to keep it cute. We're not professionals, but this steak is going to taste like it came from the best steak house that you know or that I know. We're getting this one off the grill, getting another one right on. This fire is hot. This fire is ready. I love it, guys. Oh, I wish you could be out here with us. I know I've said that before, but guys, I wish you could be out here. We're having so much fun. And the excitement is building because everybody knows we're going to get to eat. And look what we're going to be eating. This is the second steak. And like I said, guys, you're only talking about maybe 2 minutes on each side, if that much. Oh, man. I just love showing this. Isn't it beautiful? But we got to get this guy off of here. Can't let it cook too long. Just wanted to char it up. Look at this. Look at this. Ha. Ooh. Into the house we go. All right. So I have 2 of the steaks here. Oh, man, I just want to show them to you. Why don't you just look at this. Look at, oh, how they're sizzling. I'm going to let them rest a few minutes. We don't want to cut them and let all those beautiful juices run out. Look at that charring. I want to show you what the inside of that looks like. You're going to be impressed. And he said, Meso, can I come to dinner too? Sure you can. Would love to have you. You know, in the South, there's always room at the dinner table for one more. Look at this. Just want you to see this from every angle. Let's cut it. Looky, looky. Let me get this up here where you can see it better. Yeah, look at that. Another piece. I just want you to see. Oh, man. Let me show you something. What do you think about this? Is this going to be juicy or nah? Is it juicy or nah? I vote juicy. And I vote for Meso to taste this. Let me get some of this in my mouth. Now. Yeah. Yeah. So good. Guys, you got to do this. It's easy. You don't even have to take it outside to the grill. You can sous vide and then just sear it over in your pan. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for coming by to see what I was doing because you knew that Meso would be throwing down today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to remind you to go on over to Daddy Cooks. Check Phil out and see what he's doing. Tell him I sent you. Subscribe to his channel. If you like what you're seeing here, guys, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I put up a video. Share my videos wherever you're active on social media. Give me a big old thumbs up and leave me some comments. I love to hear what you guys are thinking. Thanks so much for your watching and your supporting of my channel. I love you for it. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate it. Come back, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye and happy eating.